So 6 days later, we have a winner. Hey guys, welcome back to Samba Official. I hope you've been having a good time stuck at home. I know I've been making mine slightly better every day. I told you a little bit about it last time. Remember the eek video? If not, go check this out. Now I've been really getting my hands dirty. With what? With pot. That's right. Here's a preview of what I've been doing. Now that you've seen that, are you excited? Hey guys, if you've liked this video so far, please make sure you go ahead and press that like button and do subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest. Now most of today's video is going to be made in my balcony and there's a lot of traffic below where I stay. So please don't mind the noise behind me and let's get right into it. Now, as I go about doing that, I'll keep showing you step by step what I'm doing. Alright, so before we get started, what I'm going to do is water the plants a little bit to make the soil a little bit moist so that it comes out of the pot really easily. Now, for all my watering activities, I normally use just a pressurized container since we don't have a tap connection right here in the balcony. Alright, so now that we're done with making the plant a little bit more wet, we're going to move it out of this pot and get it into this one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do before starting the repotting is dip into this sack of soil, pull some out and fill up the bigger pot. Alright, so I normally fill it up a little more than halfway across for this particular plant and then I make some space like so. So you loosen the pot just a little bit. Once that's done, I'm going to be putting in a lot of more soil around the new plant. Alright, now that's done, we are going to be a little concerned about the transplant shock. That's a term I learned while watching videos on YouTube. I haven't been doing this a long time, as you guys can probably tell. Pour some more water on this guy. Alright, so now what we're going to be doing is moving the sunflower from a smaller pot to a much larger one. I've already filled up the larger pot with, well, soil. There you go. It's a pretty view to be working around, isn't it? Well, now we've got the sunflower potted. We're going to water it up as well, like we did for the previous plant. Alright, so now we're going to be moving these nice violet flowers from a 6-pack of very small pots to these 2 larger pots. And there we go. Now I'm just creating space in the pot for this guy's buddies to come in. And I'm going to layer the remaining space with some more soil. After a lot of fingering and prodding around, I think I've got the soil to be as I need it to be. Alright, so now I'm just going to water it up a little bit. The other one's also done. And now it's time for a snack. So now I'm going to be planting these cherry tomatoes into a new pot. I'm hoping to grow tomatoes out of these. Let's see. Alright, so this one's filled with soil now and I've made a little bit of a crater in between. So they both have lots of seeds and I'm hoping that's going to help with the growth. And it's done. Now I'm going to put some water over the soil and let's see how this grows in the next couple of days. And the next pot is ready as well with the craters inside. I'm going to be putting these tomatoes in. There you go. Now I'm going to add the top layer of the soil and just add the water and we're done. Let's see which one of them starts to grow first. Now this plant here is called the peace lily. It has a very interesting property. Whenever it wants water, the leaves and these flowers basically droop down. That's the signal that it needs to be watered. How amazing, isn't it? And as soon as it's watered, within literally a couple of minutes, the leaves start to rise up again, and so do these flowers. Remember we had the competition between the two tomato plants? Well, they weren't really plants then. They were raw tomatoes 6 days back. So 6 days later, we have a winner. Okay, so the winner is going to be announced in the next video. If you've enjoyed watching this one, please do press the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so that you're updated when I upload the next one. And now it's time for me to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of the week.